Okay, let's see what kind of damage I can get myself into here. See, this is flexy there, and the fitting was right there. This is where the 3-inch ends right there. And then see on this one, I can pull that up like that, and I can turn it. See, like that. I think I'm liking that better. What do you think? See? That. Boy, that could almost fit without this this 3-inch pipe in here. And let's see if I can get it off. Twisted. Part of it's coming. See? Now, I might be able to just use that. And oh no, it's going to be just too short. See? Oh, look at that. Almost. See there? It really should be up like that. See? Had I moved that further, it would have went. Okay? So now I got to get this back on. There. Okay? And I'm gonna have to kind of guess. I'm gonna have to kind of guess at this, and I think I want to make it just a hair long. Just take your drywall knife. Let's make it this long. Let's make it that long. And my knife's not even that sharp. I just kind of saw it. Come on. There. Okay. That's almost right. Okay, so now, there, snap it in there like that. And see, I slightly accordioned it, just right there. You see, that's just a hair. I mean, if anything, it's just a hair long, right? So I'm gonna take one off. I'm just taking one off. Okay, I could take two, but at this point, hey, you can do whatever you want, right? Just keep your thumb out of the way. Your fingers. You don't want your drywall knife to slip on you. Okay? There. Okay. I kind of like that fitting I got from the store. Okay, there we are. How about that? How about them apples? I'm liking that. I think that's just fine. Okay. Then later on, if I ever want to clean the downspout out, I can there's enough flex in there to pull that off, to pop that off, to clean out anything. If I get leaves in there or anything like that. Okay. Man, that T really did the number. Okay. I wasn't quite sure how I was going to do that. See how that comes now? That's a nice fitting. You can get different fittings like that at the store. And then I just extended that and bent it up. I'll show you what it looks like from this side. Okay, there we go. And granted, once I put a plant right here, I'm going to put a plant, and it's probably going to get about about yay big. It might get at least this big, if not that big. Right there in the corner, you're not even going to see any of that. See? And this I thought, it's just a hair long. I could flop it out, dig this a little bit deeper if I didn't want to cut that, or I can cut that. I can cut 5 or 6 inches of that off like I just showed you. Okay, I took the belly out of that right there, put some more gravel in there. That looks all nice and flat. Kaboom! And that means goodbye this. But you see, on the other side of my house, I might be able to use that. And let's just see. That's the 3-inch. Let's just see what's happening over here. See, now with all my newfound knowledge, I take a look at other existing things on the house to see what other types of things I might want to fix. Let's see here. Look at this one. This is an actual 3-inch line. I can tell that's a 3-inch. But see how it's coming out of there? I mean, if you like that and if it's okay with you, this house has been sitting there for 25 years. And I know what I could do, right? I can take that, I can dig it down, I can take that off, disconnect. This is the same fitting from here to there, okay? I can take that off, and this will be down in the ground. And I can take a little piece of that 3-inch from the other side, and I think I'll probably have to get a coupling, some sort of coupling at the store. And what I do, instead of putting the coupling real short where it's tight, I would disconnect that, dig this back over here. Then I would take my 3-inch that I have on the other side, go from here, and have it swoop down a little bit more, so not as much of it is exposed. Then come down and put the coupling in here somewhere. And then I get rid of most of that. I've never liked that. I've never liked that. And if I wanted to, see, I could put another plant right there. I could get rid of this here. Looks like they put this here to kind of protect that. I could leave those 3 rocks. I could take that stepping stone out, save that for somewhere else, right? And the drip irrigation pipe is right there. And here it is again. I could put a plant here. I could tap into the drip irrigation, come across, have water for that, have a nice plant right there in the corner, and then none of this where it's exposed from here just down to there. You won't even see that from the driveway. You see what I mean? So next time I'm at the store, all I need to get is a 3-inch coupling. That's all I need. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And hey, the more videos you watch, the more you learn and the more you save. At least that's my hope. See you tomorrow.